So in iOS 18, we can easily sort and filter photos to find out a specific categories photos in our iPhone. To use the sort or filter options in your Photos app, first of all, make sure to update your iPhone iOS version to the latest one. And then go ahead and open your Photos app in your iPhone. And once you are in your Photos app, you have to scroll down and once you are in your library, now just at the bottom left corner here, just tap on this sort or filter icon, and now you can filter by recently added. So once you selected it, here you will find all of your recently added photos, and you can also sort by date captured, and you can also tap on filter, and here you can sort by favorites, edited photos, videos, and screenshots. For example, to see all of your edited photos in your photos library, just select edited, and here only edited photos will be visible. So that's how we can sort and filter photos in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.